Hey, y'all. Gonna wait for everybody to come on in. I do this every single day.
Hey, Miss Arnold.
Hey, how are you? Okay, we waiting.
Miss Arnold, you got my mama text on Class Dodo?
Mm-hmm. You so crazy, girl. Talon, what's the?
I forgot to take a break.
Break.
I forgot to take a break with my friends.
Go take a break.
I forgot to take a break.
It's okay.
Between the session, take a break. Listen. We'll go this and then we take a break afterwards, okay? All right? Can you do that for me?
Okay.
All right, get it together. There we go.
Break is fine. It's just a.
Okay, you gotta go to the bathroom?
No.
Okay, we're gonna start in 3 more minutes. I'm waiting to see if anybody else will join. Okay, about a couple more people coming in. All right, well, we're gonna get started. If anybody else comes in, we'll just invite them on in. Okay. All right, so let me put this down a little bit so you can see. Good morning. Today is Friday, June 12th, 2020. Today we're going to continue learning about measurement using centimeters. I thought you would need your ruler, but you don't. They already gave you a ruler on the worksheet that we're going to use today. So congratulations to you. Y'all made it another week through summer school. So we're going to do a warm up and then we're going to jump into our lesson. Go ahead and solve 34 plus 29. Make sure you put it in vertical form first, and then we're gonna do it as a class. So go ahead and start the first one, 34 plus 29. And you can do it on the back of a piece of paper that we already worked on, doesn't matter. And I'm gonna get my piece of paper. Let me get this. $34 plus 29. Go ahead and take 1 minute. I'm gonna set a timer and then we'll do it together. So you got a minute. Okay, you got about 10 seconds and then we're gonna go through it. All right, so. All right, Dario, what's the first step when we solve problems? What is our first?
The first step is if you want to put the 3 and the 2, put the 3 at the top or the 2 at the and a 2 at the bottom, and then put the 4 at the top and put the 9 at the bottom.
Okay,
And then you put plus.
Where do I start adding? In the ones place or the tens place?
And the ones first.
So we'll add 4 plus 9. What did you get for 4 plus 9?
13, but I put 3.
Okay.
And I carried the 1.
Good job. Hold on. Okay. All right, and then what's our last step?
And then you carry the 1, then I had 6. So.
Because 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 6. So our answer is 63. All right, and then now we're gonna do the subtraction one, 56 minus 18. Once again, I'm gonna put 1 minute and then we'll do it together. Oh, my knee. All right, let's go ahead and do our subtraction. All right, so this time we're going to subtract. And once again, like Dario said, we always start in our ones place. Kaylin, are you there? Okay, couldn't see you. Walk me through this problem.
Subtraction, that's easy.
So 56 minus 18. We start in our ones place.
And since they're not enough, so we're gonna go to Tricia. Goes to the tens place. and then we're going to add 110 to the 6. Then we have to subtract the 8 and do the 62.
What does this 5 become?
It's a 4.
The 4. And what does the 6 become?
16.
And 16 minus 8, that's a doubles fact. So 16 minus 8 is good. And 4 minus 1 is
3.
38. Nice.
Oh, judge me. Please have to solve it.
All right. All right. Video on inches. And then we'll do our worksheet.
This was a warm one.
You think Selden's gotten longer? We should measure him. You got a ruler? That's okay, Moby. How do you measure without a ruler? I know that length is how long something is. Width is how wide something is. And height is how tall or high something is. Selden isn't very tall or wide, but he is long. Let's use something to figure out Selden's length. Well, it's easier if we use something that's flat and straight. We can line up crayons to find out Selden's length. It's important to line them up in a straight line with no gaps, or else we couldn't get an accurate measurement. Selden is 1, 2, 3, almost 4 crayons long. You found it. A ruler can help us find exact measurements. What are inches? Well, an inch is a unit of measurement, and we can use inches to measure small objects. When you measure something with a ruler, it's really important to line it up with the 0. Right, this bolt is 1 inch long. We abbreviate inches as IN period. Let's measure it. This screw is a little more than 2 inches long. It's longer than the bolt. This nail is close to 4 inches long. It's the longest. So, how long is your birdhouse, Moby? That's a gigantic birdhouse. We should use it as a doghouse instead. Maybe you measured it using feet instead of inches. How can you measure using feet? For longer objects, we can measure in units called feet. Well, kind of, except we have different sizes of feet. If we measured with your foot, we get a different measurement than if we measured with my foot. That's why we have one standard foot that is the same. This ruler is 1 foot long, which is equal to 12 inches. Let's see. Your doghouse is about 1, 2, 3 feet high. This is the abbreviation for feet, FT. I guess there are tons of ways to measure. Maybe in a few weeks we can measure Selden again and see if he's grown. Nice hat, Moby.
All right. Do an easy quiz. All right. Which object could you use to measure a pencil? Would you use a paper clip, a jacket, a banana, or a basketball? Which one of these could we use to measure a pencil if we didn't have a ruler? Talon?
A.
Good job.
Good
All right.
job, baby.
So it says to get a precise measurement, carefully line up your objects with no gap. What does precise mean? A, a measuring tape. B, inches and feet. C, careless and wrong. Or D, exact and correct. Which one of those means precise? Kaylin, what you think? Which one of those you think means precise?
I think it's D.
Good job.
Woo! I guess.
What is the abbreviation for foot? A, F, B, F, T,
F.
C, F, O, or D, F, F? Which one of those is abbreviated for foot? Daria, what you think?
It's okay.
I think it's FT or FO.
F.
Yeah,
Good job, girl. All right. This one says, which distance shows how wide something is? Which distance shows how wide something is? A, length, B, width, C, height, or D, weight? Which one of those shows wide? Talon, what you think?
A.
Try A.
Length.
Okay, so length means how long something is.
It's okay.
You want to call on somebody, Talon? You want to pick somebody to help you?
Yes.
Who you want to pick?
I want to be her.
Jakira, which one you think means width? I just gave you the answer. Why? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click this.
Width.
Oops.
Height.
And the last one says, which is the best tool for measuring your waist? So your waist is like where your hips are. So could we use a pencil, a crayon, a ruler, or measuring tape? Which one of those can help us measure our waist? Hold on. Tavion, what you think? I don't know if he can hear me. You know, okay, well, we're gonna click this one. Yay! All right. The last part that we're gonna do today, find the page that looks like this. It says June 12th at the top. Go ahead and get your binder out. It says June 12th, and it has like a ruler on the page. It's 2 pages, so go to the first page. All right, let's go ahead and do the first one. It says, write the length of each ribbon. So there's hope y'all can see, but this is already in front of you. So there is a ruler under it, and it starts at 0, and then it ends at a number. What is the length of that one? What is the length of that? I don't even know what that is. The ribbon is what they said. Daria, what you think? It starts at 0 and it ends at 2. So what's the length?
The length is 2.
2 what?
2 centimeters.
Good. So put 2 in that blank. And then there's another ribbon. How long is that one? Talon, where does that ribbon stop? Look on your paper. It looks like
Right here.
On 6.
good, 6 centimeters.
Right here. Right 6 right there. And right 2 right here. See? It's not so bad. They hit you a little bit. There you go. Good job.
All right, now, in order for us to compare the lengths, we have to subtract 6 minus 2. So we're in this blank right here, right? 6 minus 2.
That's 6 minus 2 right here.
And so now we'll put our answer down here. So go ahead and solve 6 minus 2, and that answer will go in this blank. Tavian, what'd you get for 6 minus 2? You can show me on your fingers. Good job, Dario. 4. All right. Let's do the next page. The next page starts with, looks like this. It has a paper clip on it. Looks like this. All right, so the first thing it says is how much longer is, okay, so we can't tell what color these paper clips are, but we just gonna work with it. It says how much longer is the purple paper clip than the green paper clip? Show your work. So we're not gonna worry about the color, but we are gonna compare them. What is the length of this paper clip? And we're gonna write it right there. Kaylin, what's the length of that paper clip? Or you could just show me on your fingers. Good. Look again at this one at the top. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. So put, by that one, put 2 cm. That way we know that that's 2 centimeters. And I'll do this one. This one is 5 centimeters. So we're gonna put 5 centimeters right there. Now we have to compare these. In order to compare them, we need to do 5 minus 2 so we can tell the difference between the 2 paper clips. So do 5 minus 2 on your paper. Talon, what'd you get for 5 minus 2?
Give me 5 marks.
3.
5 marks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Take away 2.
1, 2,
How many?
1, 2, 3.
Tell me. I don't know. Miss Arm, ask you a question.
5
Answer.
minus 2, what'd you get?
3.
Good. Between those is 3 centimeters. So right here, you'll write 3.
Hold a second, baby. I think that's wrong. That's the wrong spot.
No.
That's the wrong spot.
No.
Right answer, the wrong spot. Let me work with this. You got the right answer, but it's just in the wrong spot. So I want to change the spot.
Let's see. All right, so for this part at the bottom, it's talking about a green pencil and an orange pencil, and we can't tell the difference. So we're just gonna say that the top one is green. We'll just put a G right here. And the bottom one is orange, and we'll put an O right there, because there's no way for us to tell which one is which. For your assignment for today, you're gonna do
Miss Arnold.
Stop.
Miss Arnold.
Don't interrupt.
hold on, Talon. We're gonna, for your assignment, you're gonna do the rest of the page. So numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm gonna stay on the call so that if you have questions, you can ask me. Talon, did you need something? No? Okay, go ahead and get started. So the first one, number 5, says, what is the length of the green pencil? We're going to say that the top ruler is the green one. So go ahead and figure out the length of that one. And like always, if you get done, go ahead and take a picture of it, and then we'll be